How to fix display black and white in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option display and brightness. Now click on it and then click on dark mode. If you turn on your dark mode, then turn it off. After turn off your dark mode, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back and click on erase all data and here enter your password to erase all your data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.